In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy basic plan using a coupon code on Pictory. First, I open and log in. After login, you can see this is a dashboard. Now you need to click on this option. Again, click on my subscription. Then going to the next page actually. So you need to select first starter plan. So now click on buy. You can see here as a Black Friday currently running, but I have a secret code. You can get 20% instant discount for all of the year. Now click on apply coupon, then paste my coupon code like sorry KUOQK, then click on apply. Then I again repeat KUOQK. Then you can get 20% forever discount for all of time. So now you can complete the process. Then you can add your card information, your name, etc., etc. Then you can complete your the last step. You can see name, Gmail, and address, then card number, etc. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care.